back to another great episode. Today I have brought you guys Masala Shrimp Biryani. Okay, it's gonna be very easy recipe. Here I have the shrimp. It's peeled. There's no tail to it, so it's all ready to go. Here I have 2 whole tomato. Here I have 1.5 pound of basmati rice. If you guys see here, I have a whole jalapeno, 1 whole onion, 8 cloves of garlic, half tablespoon of carom seed, half tablespoon of red chili paprika powder, half tablespoon of black seed. Okay, here I have 5 ingredients. I took cloves, I took cinnamon, I took cardamom, cumin seed, and I have blended those guys all up. So it's gonna be a 1.5 whole spoon of whole spices. Here I have the organic coconut oil. We will put at least 4 spoons of organic coconut oil in our non-stick pan. I'll add a little extra, so this is 5 now. Red onion, whole red onion, and we will add the onion right here. Spread the onion just like that. Take the 8 cloves chopped garlic, add that at the same time. And for now guys, we will just fry these guys, okay? And remove the skin of the garlic. So for now guys, we will stir fry these guys until they are light brown. So it's very easy recipe if you guys are following the right steps. It's gonna be a perfect masala shrimp biryani, or how you say it, masala prawns biryani. We'll wait at least 5 minutes for these onions and the garlic to turn into light brown or golden brown. It's been 5 minutes. If you guys see, our onions have turned into light brown color. Very easily done, right? We will take carom seeds, half tablespoon. We'll add carom seeds, black seeds, half tablespoon. If you go to a spice market, just ask or just look for the black seeds. Our 5 seasoning, right? Okay, cumin, cardamom, cinnamon. 3 done. Cumin, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and there's 1 more. Guess it. I told you guys already. Black pepper. We will add the paprika, half tablespoon. Okay, give it a stir. Take the whole jalapeno and add the whole jalapeno right there. How beautiful is done, and so easy. 2 whole tomato, fresh puree. Just add that. For now we will just stir fry our fresh tomatoes and all our dry seasonings guys, at least for 5 to 10 minutes. So these basmati rice, I have soaked them in the water. So these are 1.5 pound of basmati rice. This is our water boiling. I'll add all the rice in here. So if you ask me about the time, I would say boil the rice for 15 minutes. So our masala is getting ready. Our rice are getting boiled 80%. So we are almost there with the recipe. For now we will just stir fry for 10 minutes. So all the tomatoes, all the jalapenos, onions, garlic, our homemade 5 seasoning, and black seed, carom seed, they all get stir fried. So basically we are cooking this whole masala mixture right now. So it's gonna take at least 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. I'm taking our rice out, all of them, and putting it right here in our strainer. So it's kind of our basmati rice. They are ready at the moment. So rinse the rice with some fresh cold water. Just like that. So our masala is completely stir fried. The onion, the tomatoes, the peppers, and the dry seasoning in there as well. We'll take our 1 pound of peeled shrimp and we will add the shrimp right here. Right now it looks a lot of shrimp, but trust me, once they cook, they shrink in size, and they were a little bit, I would say 50% frozen. So we will cook now the shrimps at least for 5 minutes. So easy, right? Take regular table salt, but you guys can do salt to taste. Take some dried curry leaves, or you can use the fresh one, and add those curry leaves in there. Curry leaves will balance out the seafood smell. Very good. Curry leaves, stir fry for 1 minute, and then add your 80% cooked basmati rice in here. All of them. Give it a gentle mix, not all the way, just gentle. Add 1 cup of water. Just spread it nicely. Put your stove onto medium flame. This is 1 cup of water. Take food color. I'm using yellow food color. That's enough. Cover with the lid on top and leave it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, when the steam starts building up in the pan, we will chop some fresh cilantro and we will add that on top. So it's been 10 minutes. The steam is building. We will take fresh cilantro and just chop it. Not the stems, mostly the leaves part. Okay, it's all done. I'll move this on the side. So our fresh chopped cilantro. We'll open up the lid, spread it evenly on top of your rice. Look at the colors. Yum. And the aroma. So we will wait, guys. We will put the stove on a simmering pot now. And we will let it cook itself for another 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it will be all ready. The final 10 minutes done. Let's take a look here. Yum. The biryani is ready. Masala Shrimp Biryani. All the way from the bottom. Check the colors, guys. Check the perfection right there. Wonderful. Let me dish this out, guys, and show you guys. So we'll take a spoon, spread it right here. Oh wow, the aroma. Yum. I've showed you guys the quantity. I've showed you guys. Check out the shrimp size. It was large shrimp. Dished out the best masala shrimp biryani. We'll cover the lid, and this is the moment of truth now. If you guys see closely, I have a shrimp with every single bite. It's just because we have the best quantity for all the ingredients. This is our shrimp. Wow. Since it's a masala biryani, wow, the fries are so fluffy. Check the premium bite right here. Wow, the best. The coconut, the curry leaves, the black seeds, the carom seeds. I can taste curry leaves. I can taste the shrimp. I can taste the little bit sea touch to it. Wonderful. And it's healthy. The best part about it, it's super healthy. Premium bite. We have 2 shrimp. You can see all the colors of biryani. You can see the meat as a shrimp. This is a big bite. Again, everything has set itself in this whole masala shrimp biryani right at the point where you can enjoy the whole recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and do try this masala shrimp biryani. Very easy to make. I showed you the whole process, the whole quantities of ingredients, and it's going to be the best shrimp masala biryani or masala shrimp biryani. Thank you again. Bye bye for now.